Our first year was in 2008, so this is our 6th year. The first year we were with 8 people on the boat just to try out, but everybody was so happy that we were there, and people were actually crying and saying, "Oh my God, you are our police. We are as we are." And it's perfectly normal to be an LGBT person and work within the police force. So that's what we want to show too, and therefore you need a uniform.